Pedro, California.
Dito sa San Pedro, California. Pwede natin nasa mataas tayo. Umuulan dito ngayon guys. Kakatila lang ng ulan.
So, what's up?
Ayan na ulit ang ulan.
Mahina ang traffic. Pedro,
Dagat din sa
Porto
mga-
Paul.
dagat din doon guys. So,
Yun ang pier ng San Pedro. Oh, yan.
wow, very nice Michelle. Oh.
Wow!
Wow, nasa mataas tayo.
Whee!
At the light, turn left onto South Gaffey Street.
Mama,
Mm-mm.
it is so much fun.
Yeah.
So much.
I think the road is unspide.
Wow, kasi nasa mataas kami guys. Kaya tala niya is...
Up and down.
Oh,
It's like a roller coaster. Whoa!
I'm feeling dizzy.
Oh, you're
Ayaw
getting...
kasi.
Stop
Siguro,
it now.
siguro pag roller coaster sa sakyan mo, ano ka.
Baka umiyak yan.
I'm very dizzy. If you
Yeah, wala na mataas.
on me, I will be dizzy.
Parang saan ba yung tulay dito? Di ba yung tulay na...
No, that's on the other side. That's the one going to Long Beach.
Hindi natin madadaan.
No.
Mommy, but
If you want to go to Long Street,
who? Papa looks like
wait lang, baby. This is far.
Sammy, that shark looks like you.
Taco Bell.
I hate Taco Bell.
Buti may ano sign nila rito yung nag-uwo ka no.
Ayaw.
Papa!
Siguro pag may mag-uwo, magbiblink yung ano.
Ganun din. Ibig sabihin, mag-slow down ka at ano.
I could be class.
Sa fire truck.
It's a fire
truck.
Well, it is round.
Kaya saan kayang sunog?
Mga sunog yan. Baka may hinimatay.
7, 6, 7.
Pizza Hut!
I hate pizza.
Lahat naman sa'yo, hate eh.
I don't like it.
Eh, anong hindi mo hate?
But I
Si
hate-
McDonald gusto niya.
I like donut in McDonald's.
Oh.
I couldn't learn Papa. Something happened.
KFC.
No KFC. I should do it KFC.
Starbucks.
No.
In half a mile, use the right two lanes to turn slightly right onto the I-110 North ramp.
McDonald's!
McDonald's. Give me McDonald's.
Sige na, ayan naman.
I don't like KFC.
McDonald's!
There's a go.
Tingnan natin saan ang drive-thru.
Oh, no, this way, this way, this way, this way.
Hala, hala! Let me back up.
The big man. I'm fluffy.
I hope they have McFlurry.
I want.
You guys want McFlurry or no?
Yeah.